I-date umhla ka-14 kuFebruary 2026. Igama lami nguNtokozo Mchunu. Ngenza le video on behalf of my aunt uNamsile Mchunu, who's become a victim of bank fraud. Engidinga ukuthi ningisize ngawo ukuthi sisabalalise le video because siyawazi amandla e-social media. U-aunt wami usebenzisa ibhange laka-Standard Bank. The incident happened in November 2025, where she lost an amount of 242,000 whilst banking with Standard Bank. Now, the bank claims that she had received an OTP which she accepted, granting access to criminals ukuthi bakhona ukuthi bakhiphe le mali of 242,000 from her savings account, her money market account, and her overdraft. Now, this is not true. She never received the OTP. We need for Standard Bank to take accountability. Ibhange lenze ubulungiswa kuNamsile Mchunu lembuyisele imali yakhe. To date, uStandard Bank uthi ungakhona ukuthi umbuyisele isinqephezelo sa-70,000 kuphela, which is such an insult. That is an insult. Angeke ulahlekelwe imali engango-242,000 ezandleni zebhange bese lithi lona lizokunqephezela ngo-70,000. That is an insult because sisebenzisa amabhange ngoba sithembe ama-security measures abanawo. Kunzima ukuthi uma uyokhipha imali yakho ebank, ziningi izinto abayidingayo ukuze ukhona ukuthi ukhiphe imali yakho ebank. Why is it therefore easy ukuthi kube for ama-criminals ukuthi akhiphe imali yakho ebank without your authorization? The bank needs to take up accountability, benze ukulungiswa, babuyisele uNamsile Mchunu imali yakhe. We have reached out to the Ombudsman, and to date, the Ombudsman is stating ukuthi nabo basenza olaba uphenyo. This has been going on since November 2025. We are still waiting, and this has taken a toll on my aunt's health and overall lifestyle. Lento yenzeke kuNamsile Mchunu ingenzeka nanoma ubani osebenzisa ibhange. Ngakho kuyaphoqa ukuthi senze amabhange ukuthi abe accountable, enze ubulungiswa mengabe siwathemba ngemali yethu, our hard-earned cash esiyibeka nabo in their facilities. Ngicela ukuthi usize, we share this video as much as possible to get the attention of the bank, because the bank is not taking this matter seriously. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Bandla, we honestly don't know ukuthi sekufuna imali yethu siyibeke kuliphi ibank, because just when we thought ukuthi bo Standard Bank bona ba right or bangqono compared to bo Capitec nabo FNB, bayakhala nabo bo Standard Bank nanini ngibone weNetbank akhala. It seems like imali yethu ayisekho safe or kulama bank lawa, and whenever they know ukuthi fault yabo inside job lena bavele nje bakutshele ukuthi hey sizokunqephetelisa ngemali encane ube wona ulahlekelwe imali lekhulu. So people are now saying ukuthi hey bo short imali tethu sethu ufuna sifake phasi kwematras phela mase nje, cause le bank lama bank lesithi asibekele imali yethu, asigcinele imali yethu itoba safe khona, ayibi safe. Or instead siyanjonjelwa ukuthi mawufuna ubuta ukuthi kwendakaleni bakutshela into lengavakali. Nangokuthi wona lama scammers labathi ma scammers athi njani ngokuthi lo muntu onemali lengaka account yakhe ababambi ngani labo ukuthi abana imali kuma accounts abo. Guys, this is just so sad. Clearly asikaphephi ngisho nakulama bank lesiwasebenzisako. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.